Within your course in Moodle, within week 1, you're asked to take a quiz. Quizzes are indicated by this red and white icon. It's a piece of paper with a check mark across it. Go ahead and click on the quiz. And you'll find instructions as well as more information about the test. There's a time limit of 3 hours for this test, and the grading method is highest grade. So if there are multiple attempts allowed, your grade in your gradebook will be your highest grade on this quiz. Go ahead and click on Attempt Quiz now. It does ask you if you're sure if you want to start. If you don't have the time to dedicate to it right then, you can always click Cancel. And if you're sure you want to start, go ahead and click on Start Attempt. There are a couple different ways for tests to be displayed and navigated. Some instructors will have their tests with one question at a time displayed. Other instructors will have all of their questions at once displayed. If one question at a time is displayed, there are a couple different ways to navigate. You can answer the question and click Next, or you can answer the question and click on the next question up in the top left-hand corner here. If you want to skip a question, you can do that. You can go to question 5 and then come back to question 4. And once you're done writing your life story, you can go back to question 4 and finish it, or you can click on Finish Attempt. If you get through part of the test and realize that you need to leave the room for a minute, you can close the test, but realize that the time will keep going. So if you take a 15-minute break and come back to the test, you can click on Attempt Quiz Now. And it's going to look like you're starting over, but you're not. Go ahead and click Start Attempt. And then you'll note that your time has dwindled since you first started the test, even though you didn't use that time. Go ahead and finish answering the last question, and then you can either click Next or click Finish Attempt. Go ahead and click Finish Attempt. The quiz will let you know which answers you finished answering, which questions you finished answering, and which you have yet to answer. If you're still ready to submit the quiz without answering the last 3 questions, you can go ahead and click Submit All and Finish. It double checks to make sure you're sure, and go ahead and click Submit All and Finish again. Some questions can be graded automatically, so especially true and false or multiple choice. The quiz will let you know if those answers are correct or not. Other questions like tell me your life story have to be reviewed by the instructor, and then your grade will be updated. Once you're done reviewing your grades, once you're done reviewing your scores, go ahead and click on Finish Review, and your grade will be displayed down below the initial quiz information. So your current grade is 2 out of 10, and I think since this is not your current grade is 2 out of 10, and you have a button down here that says you can reattempt the quiz if you want to.